Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're out here at the greenhouse. We're going to start putting siding on today. And I've already plumbed this. So we're going to start on this back wall. And I think it's 8 foot long, so it'll be 2 pieces. And we're going to come up 32 inches. And it's actually, while we're doing this is actually, you know, as a stiffener, it'll stiffen this frame up. But before you get started, like if you're going to do this, you know, I checked for plumb here. That's still right on the money, so I took the brace down, and my little bench things are helping holding it too. So I've already measured up what I want, 32 inches, and I've got a level line across the back. So we'll go ahead and cut some, and we'll get it up, and we'll do the whole thing, and we'll come back here and show you the results. And I don't know if we're gonna get painted today. It's awful windy, so but we'll see how it goes. So let's get this siding up, and we'll come back and show you the results. All right, so we got the siding on, and it took us about a little over 2 hours. We made a little change. We went and put some siding up top, and we'll go around and show you everything. Now this is primed, it's not painted. It's like a plywood type siding we got at Home Depot, and we did nail it with galvanized nails, so you know, keep that in mind. So anyway, we'll show you around what we got. Okay, our next move is I gotta go see if I can find some hinges. We're gonna put the windows in. If I don't, we might paint the floor. And we'll have to run to Home Depot after a while. So first I gotta go do my chores. So we'll go do our chores, and we'll come back and try to put these windows in. Hey folks, we couldn't find any hinges, so we're gonna run to the store probably tomorrow after church or something, and we'll show you the windows, and it'll be all in this video. So we decided to paint the floor, and it's not paint, it's a solid stain. Got it at Home Depot, and it's called a russet is the color, and it looks pretty good actually. So it's just the first coat. We gotta let that sit for 4 hours, so we'll put another coat on it tomorrow also, and we'll be ready to spray then. Hopefully we'll get some good weather. So anyway, went up there and also cleaned out where we're gonna put the buckyard. I'll show you that in a different video while we got through with that. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey folks, it's back the next day, and I got my old windows put in. Now I'll clean these up before I do the final reveal, but you can kind of get a gist here. So I got them on the hinges, and they'll swing in, and of course I got to put stops all around these, so I haven't completely done with them, but I'm through for today. I got the other side too. Let's walk over and look at that. So they'll swing in, and I'll have to figure out some way to make them stay latched open or something. And a simple latch I can have for the clothes, that ain't no big deal. So we also got 2 coats on the floor. Let me show you that. We used a solid waterproof stain, because I figured that it's in there watering and stuff, it helped the floor last forever. So I think it's gonna look really good when we get this painted white. So I reckon the next step would be paint. So I'm gonna paint that white, and hopefully the next video I'll do, it'll be done. Painted the roof and everything on, so I gotta get on with this. It's getting that time of year. I'm sweating right now, so hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and support your local farmer. We'll see you down here on the farm in the next video.